In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just want to update it for security reasons, this quick and straightforward guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open up your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Salesforce login page. You can do this by typing in the Salesforce URL in the address bar at the top of the page. It's important to make sure you're on the official Salesforce site to ensure your security and privacy. Now, on the Salesforce login page, you'll see fields where you typically enter your username and password. But if you're looking to reset your password, you want to look for and click on the link that says "Forgot your password." This link is usually located just below the login fields. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can begin the password reset process. Once you've reached this new page, you'll be prompted to enter your Salesforce username. This is the username associated with your Salesforce account, and it's typically the email address you registered with. Carefully type in your username to avoid any typos, as these can delay the process. After entering your username, continue by clicking the Continue button. This action will trigger Salesforce to send you an email with further instructions. Now, it's time to check your email inbox. Once the email arrives, it will contain a link specifically for resetting your password. This link is valid for a limited time, so it's a good idea to use it promptly. Open the email and locate the password reset link. Clicking on this link will take you to the password reset page. Here, you'll be asked to create a new password. When choosing a new password, remember to follow Salesforce's requirements. Often, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters are necessary to ensure a strong password. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field and save it. With that step done, you can now return to the Salesforce login page. Use your username and the newly created password to log back into your Salesforce account. It's always a good habit to make sure the login is successful and that your new password works correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Salesforce password. Keeping your password secure and updated is crucial for maintaining the security of your Salesforce account, so don't hesitate to repeat this process whenever necessary. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for additional support.